After day 1 and day 2, finally I went to bed to get some sleep, thinking that everything was going to be amazing. And then I realized for 1 minute that I don't have a bed. So I slept on my financially minimalist floor. 6 hours later, I woke up, boom, stock market is open and I'm ready to go. Ran to my desk and you would never believe what I see. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to part 3 of the stock market challenge. If you guys haven't watched part 1 or part 2, I definitely recommend you doing so because you will not understand anything that's going to go on in this video itself. I need to break down to you guys what happened, what went down, because oh my gosh, bro, I'm pissed, but in a good way, but like it's like a bittersweet. Okay, so listen up, check it out, guys, check it out. XPIV, my baby, up $700 yesterday, was down 12% this morning. I was so sad. I felt like dying, bro. So I sold my position of XPIV at $150 only profit. So that means I went from $700 to only $150, and I sold at $150. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? It went back up. The stock price itself went back up after I sold at the bottom. It went back up to $700 again. So I sold my position thinking that it was just going to tank, and then it went back up. So, I mean, I could have made my $700, but I was a smart investor. I saw it dipping. I was like, let me just collect my profit and back out while I still can, just in case, because you never know with the stock market. That could have been a big drop, and that's a drop that I cannot afford to lose. So that was the first position, guys. I woke up and I was terrified. And then the next position that we were in, Delta Airlines, bro. So Delta Airlines, as you can see before in the last video, we were up about 5% on. I don't know if you guys remember. So Delta Airlines, we sold at 6% profit. So that basically means we walked out of the day for $120 in profit, which is really good. I like that. So I made a little bit of money on Delta. I made a little bit of money on XPIV. Let's see if I was negative on any of my stock picks for that day. Workhorse is my next stock. I was up 9% on Workhorse and I sold it at $144 profit. I can't be stopped. No one can stop me. So at this point, you know, I make like at least $300-400 just off the stocks that I sold alone. Unfortunately, I could have made like 1,000, but XPIV really freaking played me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It just dropped down like a roller coaster and I really sold it. I'm so dumb. But anyway, actually, no, I'm not dumb. I'm really smart. You know why? Because it could have dropped to negative 700 and then I would have been down for the challenge. So I'm actually kind of, you know, proud of myself that I sold. Anyways, guys, and then Alibaba, as you guys remember in the last video, we had an Alibaba position and we sold that Alibaba position for guess how much, guys? $116 in profit. So that was really good too. At this point, guys, we're up in the challenge. We're doing really good. And then to finish it off, I had Lordstown Motor. Guess how much money I made off Lordstown Motor? Negative or positive? What you guys think? Comment below right now. What do you think? Negative or positive on Lordstown Motor? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. What'd you think, baby? I'm positive. 13% up on Lordstown Motor. I sold it for $173 profit. And that was an insane moment. I love it. So I'm a net positive on every single stock that I sold. Unfortunately, I could have made thousands compared to hundreds, but I'm still satisfied. So this is a successful challenge so far. And then look, I sold all these positions, right? So I had all this cash sitting and I needed to do something with it. So finally, guys, this is where we started striking. We started striking at the things that were working. Let's open up the Robinhood account and guys, show you guys what I'm talking about, what positions I'm up on. So as you can see right now, I'm up $398 on today alone. So that's pretty good. So the new positions that we bought. First of all, we want to talk about this stock called Longview. I bought Longview at about $3,000 in. So Longview was a really cool TikTok stock that I found. So I did my own research on it and it looks really promising because Bill Gates is funding this and is behind this stock itself. So I was like, yo, that's crazy. Up 20% on the day, guys. It is an amazing day. And we're up 20%, 7% in the after hours, which is crazy. I'm up $219 on the stock itself. I bought in about this morning. So I bought this stock at $3,000 in market value, and I'm up almost like 7%, $219 on the stock itself. Next stock I bought is Tesla, guys. Tesla has just been crazy, bro. I had a position at 418 at a $6,000 stock equity. And now it's at 562. If I would have only hold, I could have made like $3,000 off this stock, but it is what it is. Anyways, Tesla, I bought in a position yesterday at $3,000, $3,400. I'm currently up $170 on Tesla alone, which is really, really good. You know, I made my little 5% and I'm going to exit as soon as the market opens, hopefully. And then next stock that I bought, so I saw the NIO, Mr. NIO itself. Okay, if you guys don't know NIO, it's another electric company, an EV company. It was really on sale, and I noticed that it was like, let me show you guys real quick. This week it was going crazy. It's up 16% for the week alone, and it was up 100% on the past month. So I really think it's doing really good. So I got into NIO at the dip. So as you guys can see right here, this is the 1-day chart. You can see how it went down 3% today, and that's really good. I striked in. I was waiting for it to drop anyways, and it finally did. So I got in while I could, and I put in a $6,000 position. I know it's a lot. I was up a couple of $100 today just itself, but I didn't sell. So I'm up about 15% on the day. It's not a lot, honestly. I'm okay with that because it's a negative red day for NIO and it's still positive, so that's pretty good for me. So I'm up about $15 on NIO alone, and I bought it for $6,000. I'm really looking forward to seeing the stock develop and grow in the next probably day or two, because I know it's going to pay off. It's probably going to give me like $500 in returns, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Jinx it. Knock on wood. Oh my God. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, guys, NIO is looking really, really promising, and I can't wait to see what happens within the next couple of days. And then I had another $40 sitting down, so I bought Lie Auto Inc. This is a stock that I saw in a group chat that I'm personally in, the Discord, and they were talking about doing, a options call for this. But that I bought in just to buy in. I had a little extra $40 sitting around, so I bought in. I'm down negative 5%. It's funny how the only stock that I got that is negative is the one that with my smallest position. I like $40, and that's the only one that's negative. That's actually really funny. But that goes to show, never trust someone else's opinion. Someone says that the stock could be good. Someone says the stock could be bad. But if someone says the stock could be good, that stock could easily be bad. So never trust someone else's opinion. Always go with your judgment. And so far, I have never gotten a signal or anything like that from anyone else besides, just checking up on TikTok and doing my own research. So these are all positions that I personally got into because I checked it out. I wanted to get into them. So yeah, guys, I'm up about, a couple of $100 on the day alone. Like I said, XPIV really, really hurt me because I'm down. If you think about it on the stock market, if you look at the 1 week chart, I was up $700 and then it went down to $150. So that big old gap that I lost with that money, with basically the profit, it went from 700 to 150. So that money that I lost in that gap, the $500, that's going to be shown on the weekly chart. That's going to be shown on the daily chart. But as you can see, that $500, even though I lost that, I'm actually net negative. I'm still up $400 on the day. So that means I'm actually technically up $800 if you didn't take that, stock drop into consideration. So that's crazy. I'm doing really good on this, challenge, and this is day 3. I'm so excited to see what happens at the end of the challenge. It's been looking really good. I'm not negative on any stocks besides that little Lie Auto Inc. stock. And yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video series. Like I said, at the end of the day, please don't invest all your money. Just because you're seeing these amazing results doesn't mean it could go opposite way anytime, any day. Right now, it's a bull market. Right now, it's looking really good. There's a COVID vaccine going on. There's a new president. Everything's happening that's good for the stock market. So I don't recommend getting into the stock market if you only have $10,000 to your name. I keep saying this because it's very important. But if you guys want to, start slowly investing into stocks, please build other sources of income that could fund your stock portfolio. Because you don't want to just, get all this money that you have, your grandmother's life savings, and put it into the stock market and drop 5% and cry, You don't want that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys appreciate this video. I hope you guys like this video series that I'm doing. Please stick around. Please go. Okay, another thing I want to do is I'm actually going to be just throwing people money. Honestly, this money, I'm making a lot of money to the stock market. Might as well just share it with my fans. So if you guys want to comment below your Cash App cash tag, I'll go ahead and send you some money just to say thank you for commenting and showing love. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out my past videos on this series. You guys are going to love it. And yeah, guys, I've been so excited. Please drop your cash tags. I'm going to be paying you guys, and I'm going to be posting who I paid on the next video. Thanks. Peace.
I got a stack on me, she throw it back on me. Sometimes I gotta go get on the road. I know I'm balling, this money keep calling. I'm 23, you know I feel like to go. Fly to Miami and go and meet Sammy. You know that I never made love on a boat. I know that you doubted me, but you not proud of me. I do not care, you still hate on the low. I come from bottom, my head is a tree, so you know that I chased it.